This video is made for educational and commentary purposes and includes significant original narration and analysis.
Oh, damn. Are you serious? Wow.
Starters make 28 to 32 starts per season rather than the 35 to 40 that were common in previous generations. And despite medical advances, the increased physical demands of pitching have shortened many careers. And
projection, but it seems that that shift is not really happening in the US because it's expensive, because the US doesn't really have the expertise at the moment.
What were you thinking?
Newer technologies now.
You're the one who pulled out in front of me. I was driving straight.
But that is also ultimately going to be affected.
You pulled out in front of me. You dumbass.
It's just
something to monitor. Yeah, I mean, analytically, it looks great. He's massive. He's got a breakout age of 19.4 years old. He put up a ton of yardage, a ton. He put up catches and touchdowns the last couple of years.
Oh, and, got him!
You know, I put on his film the first play. Very fun, and he has those.
That's what I actually had to. The way, bro. Why would you merge all the way over here?
services should make 75 arrests per day. And for all of this administration's promises of a worst first strategy where they...
What the f*** are you doing, stupid idiot?
Freaking lame, moron.
To do that, I need an internet connection.
Yeah, it's called
Burp farts.
Clouds. Both comes from my dad's and my ears. See me? You should look at a turn signal, man.
Alright, buddy.
You okay?
Yeah.
1 occurred. Please have a safe drive today.
Idiot!
Sometimes I make mistakes, but I can learn
Not
from them.
you!
To report a problem.
Whoa! Oh my god! My god, dude!
Okay, Garmin.
By a man named Anthony Flacco, called The Road Out of Hell, Sanford Clark Mystery Story of Chicken Murders. It's got very good reviews on Amazon. I don't have time.
Come on, what are you doing?
If you're looking for facts.
What the f***? Go! What the f***?
Already off the board based on spring, how he looked in spring and the length that they gave him in this start. Alright, let's talk about a waiver wire pitcher. There's only one that really stood out to me from opening day, and it's
Yeah.
Wow. That person needed a double stop sign.
Stop, just come flying out of there. Oh, okay. Damn, right in front of it. He must have been going in, he was coming out. Damn. Damn, man.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope the message of driving safely resonated with you. If you feel this video is important, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, You can help spread awareness about safe driving practices and potentially save lives. Thank you, and stay safe on the roads.